Trading penny principle. How to turn $100 into a fortune. The power of doubling. If I told you that $100 could make you a millionaire through trading, you'd probably laugh at me. You'd say, that's impossible. That's a scam. That's too good to be true. But what if I showed you the math? What if I proved to you, with real numbers, right here, right now, that $100 is not just enough to start trading? It's enough to change your entire financial life. Stay with me for the next 10 minutes because what I'm about to show you is going to completely change the way you think about money, trading, and what's actually possible for you. Let's go.
Welcome to Alpha Breakout Lab, the channel where we break down the market so you can break into profits. I'm your host, and today we are talking about one of the most powerful concepts in all of finance, the power of compounding and doubling your money. This lesson is for everyone, especially those of you who think you need thousands of dollars to start trading. You don't. And today I'm going to prove it to you with one of the most mind-blowing mathematical concepts ever discovered. It's called the penny principle, and it's about to change everything. Let me start with a question, and I want you to really think about this before you answer. If someone offered you two choices, choice A, I give you $1 million right now, cash in hand. Or choice B, I give you a single penny, 1 cent, that doubles every single day for 30 days. Which do you choose? Most people, and I mean the majority of people, choose the $1 million. It's right there. It's real. It's $1 million. Who wouldn't take it? But the people who understand the power of compounding, they take the penny every single time. And here's why. Day 1, 1 cent. Day 2, 2 cents. Day 3, 4 cents. Nothing exciting yet, right? Day 5, 16 cents. Day 10, just over $5. Still not impressive. Day 15, $163. Okay, it's growing. Day 20, $5,242. Now we're talking. Day 25, $167,000. What? Day 30, $5,368,000. From 1 penny. In 30 days. $5 million. That is the power of compounding. That is the power of doubling. And that is the exact principle we are going to apply to your trading account starting with just $100. Now let's get real. Let's get practical. Let's talk about your $100 trading account and what happens when you apply the doubling principle to it. My philosophy as a trader is simple. Double your account every month. Now, before you say that's impossible, hear me out. Doubling your account every month does not mean you need to make 100% returns on every trade. It means you need to grow your account by 100% over the course of an entire month, roughly 20 trading days. That means you only need to make about 3 to 5% per week. That's it. 3 to 5% per week. Most traders make that in a single good trade. Now watch what happens to your $100 when you double it every month. Month 1, you start with $100. You trade carefully, manage your risk, follow your strategy. End of month, $200. Month 2, $200 becomes $400. Month 3, $400 becomes $800. Month 4, $800 becomes $1,600. Month 5, $1,600 becomes $3,200. Month 6, $3,200 becomes $6,400. Are you watching this? Are you seeing what's happening? We started with $100, the cost of a dinner out, and in just 6 months we have over $6,000. Month 7, $12,800. Month 8, $25,600. Now we've crossed the PDT threshold. Month 9, $51,200. Month 10, $102,400. Month 11, $204,800. Month 12, $409,600. From $100. In 1 year, $400,000. Let me say that again. $100. 1 year. $400,000. That is what's possible when you understand compounding. That is why trading is the greatest wealth building tool available to the everyday person. Not just the wealthy, not just the privileged, everyone. Now I have to be honest with you, because that's what Alpha Breakout Lab is all about. Real talk. No hype. No false promises. The math is real. The compounding principle is real. The potential is real. But here's what nobody tells you. Truth number one, you will not double your account every single month without fail. Some months you'll be up 150%. Some months you'll be up 30%. Some months you might break even. Some months you might have a small loss. That's trading. That's the reality. Truth number two, the principle only works if you protect your capital. This is why risk management is the most important skill in trading. If you blow up your $100 account on bad trades in week one, the compounding never happens. You have to be there for month 2, month 3, month 4. You have to survive long enough for the compounding to work its magic. Truth number 3, discipline is everything. The math only works if you stick to your strategy, manage your risk, control your emotions, and keep going even when it's hard. Most people quit too soon. They have 2 bad weeks and they give up right before the compound effect kicks in. Truth number 4, start now. Not when you have $1,000. Not when you have $5,000. Now, with whatever you have. Because every month you wait is a month of compounding you're giving up forever. So how do you actually double your account? What does that look like in practice? Let me give you the framework. Step 1, start with paper trading. Before you put your $100 in, spend 30 days paper trading. Learn your platform. Test your strategy. Build your confidence. We have a complete guide to paper trading on this channel. Step 2, master one strategy. Don't try to learn everything at once. Pick one setup, breakouts, gap and go, momentum trading, and master it completely. One strategy mastered beats 10 strategies half learned every single time. Step 3, risk management first. Never risk more than 10% of your account on a single trade. With a $100 account, that's $10 per trade. Yes, that seems small. But small losses are what keep you in the game long enough to compound. Step 4, be consistent. 5% per week, every week, adds up to over 20% per month. 20% per month, every month, compounds into life-changing money. Consistency beats big wins every time. Step 5, reinvest everything. Do not take money out of your trading account during the compounding phase. Every dollar of profit stays in the account and compounds. This is the discipline that separates the traders who make it from the ones who don't. Here's the most important thing I want you to take away from this video. The $100 is not the point. The point is that everyone can start. The person with $100 and the person with $100,000 are playing the exact same game with the exact same rules. The only difference is the size of the numbers. The skills you build trading a $100 account are the same skills you use to trade a $100,000 account. The risk management principles are identical. The technical analysis is identical. The emotional discipline is identical. So if you've been sitting on the sidelines saying, "I'll start trading when I have more money," stop. That day may never come. Start with what you have. Learn on a small account. Make your mistakes when the stakes are small. Build your skills, build your confidence, build your account. Because here's the beautiful truth in trading, unlike almost every other wealth building path, the size of your starting capital does not determine the size of your outcome. Your skill determines your outcome. Your discipline determines your outcome. Your consistency determines your outcome. And those things, those are available to everyone, regardless of background, regardless of income, regardless of where you start. That's why Alpha Breakout Lab exists. That is the mission. Financial freedom for every single person on this planet. Starting with YOU. Starting with $100. Starting today.
The penny that doubles every day becomes $5 million. The $100 trading account that doubles every month becomes $400,000 in a year. The person who starts today will always be ahead of the person who waits for the perfect time. The perfect time is now. The perfect amount is whatever you have. The perfect strategy is the one you learn, practice, and execute with discipline. If this video opened your eyes to what's possible, and I know it did, please smash that like button, share this with someone who thinks they can't afford to start trading, and subscribe because we have so much more coming for you. Drop a comment below telling me, what is your starting amount? $100? $500? More? I read every single comment, and I want to know where your journey is starting. For the complete trading education series, every lesson you need to turn your starting amount into something life-changing, find us on YouTube at Alpha Breakout Lab. The link is in the description. I'll see you in the next one. Start small. Think big. Stay consistent. The compound effect is waiting for you. Let's get those gains. Show the penny doubling table as an animated scene, numbers growing dramatically. Show the $100 doubling table, make each month appear one at a time for max.